Behind the fast-growing and expanding ministry is a man of God who gave not only his heart but his entire life to God for the sake of the mandate entrusted to him by the Lord.
The Lord visited me, and He said to me, Son, build me a great church. Teach my people to love me, serve me, worship me, and obey me, and teach her to be like me, and present her living like me in my any moment coming.
Nung nag-start nga yung ministeryo ito, ay ang congregation yata namin ay 15 lang.
Yung mga chairs natin, dito pe.
Yung church na yun parang squatter, tanggal, kalas, balik.
Yung mga brochure nun dati, sulat kamay.
Ang bigat ng aral niya. Hindi kayang tanggapin ng Body of Christ sa mga panahon na yan, yung aral niya.
So, walang gustong maniwala. Nakasuhan niya ang lingkod na wala namang katotohanan. Kasi ako yung saksi.
Tigil nyo na, umaga na pang matida lang kami ng salmon.
And now, the ministry that lives in supernatural, carries the greatest mandate of all, walks in perfection, and is the greatest gift to the nations around the world, is now entering another significant milestone.
The uniqueness of this church ay kitang-kita natin.
Yung ministeryo ito, wala talaga siyang hagaya.
This ministry has gone too far to look back.
Ako tatalagin nung bandang 5 years. Sabi ko, okay na yun. Pero yung 35 years, sobrang ano yun.
Ano ang dinaanan natin sa kalsada? Kagaya ng dinaanan natin sa Sabsaban, marami. Yan nahubog ang buhay ko as an apostle, na train. Talagang tinuruan niya ako umasa sa kanya sa lahat ng bagay.
He's truly a man of God.
So powerful, unshakable, unstoppable, untouchable talaga.
Ang Jesus is Our Shield Worldwide Ministries was born from the heart of God.